Hi guys, I know I'm not there for Professional Development Day, and Miss Rosa had asked me for some type of professional development in class dojo. So I'm going to give you some little mini shorts of areas that might help you, and then that way you can watch these in your own leisure. Maybe I will try to run everyone every 10 minutes so that you can get a better aspect in allowing you time to go practice on your own. Okay. So without further ado, I'm going to be using a demo account because I will be posting this on YouTube for any other teachers out there struggling with the class dojo. Um, but so that's why I'll be using a demo account so that our students' informations are not publicized. Okay, so otherwise I would normally use the whole thing, but I can show you the dash of what when you go into Dojo what you will see. But as far as the examples given in these next series, I will be using a demo account. Okay, all right, so here we go. Okay, so you can see I'm doing this video through Zoom. And what I normally do is I go Zoom and then I download it to YouTube. All right. All right, so let's go into our class dojo. And I want to go out to the class itself. Okay, so this is what I see when I go to my dash. This is what everybody sees when they go to their dash, right? Okay, but if you want to go back to say the front page. Now here, when you log into Class Dojo, the first thing you see is a demo class, probably your own class or the classes that you're connected to, and if you want to start a new class. All right, since Class Dojo is free to all institutions, as long as they can verify themselves, then it's something that you could possibly do if you were to continue. So for instance, if we ever to get another grade 3 class, you would start a new class. So what we're going to do is we're going to just look at this for right now, and then later on we might go into that aspect. All right, so here you have it, Miss Green Marissa, and the reason my name is first and not here is so that when I do post things on my Class Dojo, it appears as Miss Marissa. Right here, you see that it says Miss Marissa. And the reason is because I wanted the children to call me Miss Marissa and not Miss Green. All right. And here you have 100% teachers connected, celebrate and grab your badge. We have Class Dojo training, classroom decoration pack. It's really cute. If you're looking for a theme in your classroom and you still haven't decorated your classroom, this is something that you could look into. For students, back to school night presentation, big ideas videos, and all other teacher resources. So this is kind of what they call your dashboard. All right, this is your go-to center. Everything is going to be pretty much here for your account, not for your students' aspects, but for your account. All right, so here we have Canadian School, International School, Tashkent. This is the school that we are all connected to. All right, so if you click on that, you will see the school story and everything that the administration has posted for the upcoming days. Okay, the holidays, things that we've talked about, the calendars and whatnot. This goes on the school story. All right. If you go back to this page where I was before, you also have something down here called staff messaging. So if I click on this, everyone that's related to any of my co-teachers, okay, or here, like it says 18 members. Now the administration has gone in and added you all into this Class Dojo, okay? But everybody's name is here. So if, for instance, you are, I'm going to use Miss Tamaris as an example, my assistant. Dear Miss Tamaris, how are you doing today? I hope everything is fine. Da, 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 da. Only Miss Tamaris will see it. Okay. However, if I wanted to send a new message to anyone else or any other teacher, hey, check, I can click on everybody's box. Okay. Or I can click on the one I want to send. Right. And since you guys are all teachers here, this is all of our names, right? Okay. All right. Let's go back. All right, so basically this little segment is your dashboard again. Here it says I have 2 notifications. This says here that Clemens Betson joined our school, and also I think that's Miss Tamari's joined our school. Okay. Here it talks about the teacher's help desk and email support. Hopefully it doesn't get down to that where you need additional support that I can't provide, that would be where you go. And then you have account settings, refer a teacher, change your school, or log out. Hopefully none of you will have to use this one either. Right? Fingers crossed. Okay. All right. And then of course, how to log out. All right. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you in this segment. I'm not going to go farther than that. You can explore that to yourself, okay? I'm not going to go farther than that because I don't want to get confusing and everything. Just go in and look and see if you can see everything that I've talked about in this presentation, okay? Happy visualization, getting into your class dojo, kind of maybe send a message to some of your colleagues through the staff messaging. I would say probably you can like check your notifications. You can see go to the whole school story to see if you can see everything that has been sent to everybody in the school community. If you've successfully done all that, wait for my next session. Okay, thanks. Bye, guys.